So once you log in, you will get this page. So here you need to enter details, and the details can be random, right? So you can put anything like anything you can put here, and the mobile number can be anything, right? Nationality can be anything, okay? Just anything. Always put referrer no, and then click on save. Referrer no, click save. Okay, it's done now, right? Now you have to go to apply for task, and here you need to click on this. Then you need to go down and click on agreement, agree to the agreement, and get to the work. Okay, so initially it will take a minute to upload the audio. So here are the tags, okay, which you need to enter while working, that is available on the guideline. And here it is the writing area. You have to create the segments here, and here you have to write. If there is a segment which is uh, void, that means why this segment cannot be written, okay? So you have to give the reason here. If there is a speech in the segment, you have to write effective. You have to select effective, and then you have to write here, okay? So first we'll understand how we have to create the segments, right? Example, you just click anywhere, somewhere like here. Okay, so here there is nothing. I mean, there is no background, there is background noise, no speaker is speaking over here, right? So, and the duration of this segment is 4.32 second. Okay, if the duration is up to 20 second of background noise or a pause or where the speaker doesn't speak, you have to create that 20-second segment. Okay, but here it is 4 second, so you can take this. I think here is the wave the speaker has.
Good evening.
Okay, good evening, the speaker has said. Okay, now I have to judge here is also a wave, so it is the same speaker or what we need to hear.
Good evening. मेरा नाम
Good evening, मेरा नाम. Okay, so what you have to write? You have to give the identity. It is the agent. Okay, good evening, मेरा नाम. आपको ऐसे लिखना है. If there is a English transcription, the audio will be in English, and you have to write like my name. Whatever the speaker is saying, you have to write the same. Right? Here you have to give the identity. Right? I'll just listen here, and I'll judge whether there is a dual speaker or a single
Good
speaker.
evening. मेरा नाम चिल्ड्रन है आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ
Okay, so here is something I can hear after good evening, Mera Naam, there is a overlap, but I can hear the first speaker voice very clearly. Just listen to it again.
गुड इवनिंग मेरा नाम चिल्ड्रन है आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ
Actually,
मेरा नाम नितिन है. So if the audio will be in English, so the you have to write the same way. Here it is English transcription. मेरा नाम नितिन है. मैं आपकी किस प्रकार okay, no punctuations required. I'll listen, I'll just recheck if what I have written is there in the audio.
मैंने सिटी मैक्स होटल से
गुड इवनिंग, मेरा नाम चिल्ड्रन है, आपकी कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ?
कैसे मदद कर सकता हूँ? मेरा नाम तिन है। Okay, so here it is done. What I'll do, I'll just click the enter, or I can click on save. It will create a segment. I'll click save here. So my first segment is done, right? Now I have to create another segment. Why I'm creating another segment? Because there is a different speaker out here. I think the speaker speaks till here, right?
एक्चुअली मैंने सिटी मैक्स होटल से
So look, understand what the second speaker is customer. Okay. So you have to give first filler. This tag you have to write because the speaker is saying Then you have to write मैंने. We'll listen it again.
एक्चुअली मैंने सिटी मैक्स होटल से एक्चुअली मैंने सिटी मैक्स होटल से एक्चुअली मैंने सिटी मैक्स होटल से
Okay.
एक्चुअली
So this is how we have to do, and we have to check if this portion is also by same speaker.
एक्चुअली मैंने सिटी मैक्स होटल से
Okay, there is single city. So again there is a filler. You have to put this tag. You cannot write the tag. Okay, you always have to select from here. Okay, and one more thing in the first segment. Okay, so we'll save it.
एक्चुअली
Now this is the first segment. We can see there is a long pause. So what we have to do, we have to at the starting there is a pause. We have to give the pause tag here, and then space, and then we have to do this. We have to write what the speaker is saying, and then we have to save it. This is how we have to do. How we have to work. Likewise, you have to work on entire audio. You need to create the segment. So creating segment is quite easy. First segment you will create. The second will come like this.
मैंने सिटी
Each segment size, if there is a single speaker, each segment can be of 60 seconds maximum. Minimum can be anything. Okay. But if a single speaker is speaking, the segment size can be 60 seconds, not less than that, not more than that. Okay. For pause, for a silence, for a sound, there can be maximum 20 seconds of a single segment. Okay. Mm, okay. So what else I'm missing? Let me check. So effective is what we are writing. Suppose this portion is overlap. So what we have to do? We have to give it void, and then we have to give overlap. Okay. Example, this is for another language. We don't understand this language. So we will select void and we'll keep unknown speech. Okay. Likewise, we have to give pause more than 20 seconds. Invalid if there is a invalid audio. There is no audio. Then we have to give invalid for the whole audio. Okay. What else? Okay, you can edit from here any segment.
एक्चुअली
You can even delete this, and then again you can create the segment. Okay. Okay, so this is how you have to do. If you have any doubt, any question, please connect to your project manager. Thank you.